Good morning. Today we are going to Erawan waterfall. It's about 70 kilometers from Kanchanaburi. We're gonna take the bus. It should cost about 50 bahts per person. The weather today is so-so. It's supposed to rain in a few hours, and it's raining quite a lot lately. But we don't give up. We're gonna get wet in the waterfall anyway. Looks like it's just us going to the waterfall today. The driver and the ticket inspector, and that's it. Erawan waterfall is located in Erawan National Park, so you need to pay the National Park entrance fee. It's 300 bahts for foreigners here, and we arrived here with the bus. This is how the bus looks like. The bus takes you directly at the entrance at the visitor center. This is how the ticket machine looks like. You have a screen, you can choose the language, how many people. You put the notes or coins here, and then it gives you the change as well. Erawan National Park. And this way to the waterfall. So you can't bring alcohol, glass containers, plastic, guitar and pets. So I guess no music in National Park. The waterfall has 7 levels. I like the path. It's an asphalt path, so easy for now because we both have flip-flops. You can't swim in the waterfall without life jackets, so here we're gonna collect some life jackets. So it's 20 bahts per person for first 2 hours, and then 10 bahts for every additional hour. We're just getting to number 1, first level of the waterfall, Lai Kun Rang. You have also a board, and it shows you how deep is the water at every level and if it's safe or not to swim.
Are they nibbling? Oh my god, it's so cold.
Yeah, it's cold, but it's nice. And here is the waterfall. We are now on level 1.
That's what we are doing right now. No, swimming in the...
Ah!
What the hell?
What do you want to say?
Oh my god.
Here is the level 2. And here you can swim.
Slippery as fuck. I'm still recording though. Maybe we're gonna see something. Fell a bit in the water. I dropped both phones and the GoPro.
Level 3, Hanum Tok. Awesome. There is a lifeguard on every level. Cool. And here it is, level 4, Okenang Pesue. Oh wow, that's amazing. I love how the water slides on the stones. And level 5, Buar Mailong.
I don't know how you can stand it.
Oh! People pay for the fish spa and you're saying no to it. Come on, it's nice. But like a little sleeper.
I don't know.
We recommend the fish spa at level 5. And level 6, Dong Kruk Sa. Finally, number 7, Pupa Erawan. We made it!
Yay.
I still didn't swim because it's so many fish. I'm gonna go back there so you can see how they coming all and they nibble you. Oh my god! So many, oh my god! so loud. From time to time you may see the dresses, very nice colorful dresses, hanging on the tree or between the trees. We find out from a couple we've met in Kanchanaburi. Thai people, they hang those dresses to bring them luck in the lottery. I may get some dress and hang it here as well. Maybe we can travel a little bit longer. We finished with the waterfall and now we're having some snacks.
We have some spring rolls, we got some chicken nuggets and some french fries.
Yeah.
50 baht each. Hey guys, we just finished our trip in Erawan National Park.
Completely worth it.
Yeah.
Yes.
We don't agree with paying extra for the life jackets. They require you to wear life jackets and you have to pay extra for them.
Yeah, that should be included in the price
Yeah.
already. But anyway, the life jackets are available only on the first level.
Yeah.
So if you're planning to swim, you can swim without the life jacket. So rent it straight away, so you don't need to go back.
The hike itself takes
Like
about
40 minutes maybe.
about an hour if you stay and take pictures and so on.
Yeah.
You can swim in most of them.
Yeah. But the fish.
And these bloody fish are so weird. They nibble, they come and like pinch you. Like if you can't stand it like me, you're gonna have a hard time going to the water. I went in a few pools. I just don't like being like touched. Ugh.
Drink water shoes, because sometimes it's extremely slippery. Plus they're not gonna nibble you.
Yeah. In case you slip and fall down like someone did.
But we have waterproof phones, because we wouldn't have
Yeah,
any camera.
I dropped the phones in the water, the GoPro.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna see you next time in another city.
Attaya, something.
Ayutthaya.
Ayutthaya, hopefully. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
Bye-bye.
Okay, see ya.